Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my last video, I showed you that the price line of Verasity was rejected by the resistance of a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame. Right now, we are reached the support of the symmetrical triangle, and in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break down the support, or we are going to have a reversal move from here to break out the resistance of this triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame, and here we have been watching that we are having a very nice support at 1.7 cents, and in the previous history of Verasity, it has been breaking as a very nice support and resistance. Let me to show you the previous history. You can see that previously here it has been breaking as a resistance, and here it has been breaking as a resistance. Here it worked as a support, and right now we are again bounced by the support of 1.7 cents, and now we are having a very nice accumulation above this resistance, above the support of 1.7 cents. And at the same time, you can see that the stochastic on this weekly time frame has entered the oversold zone. By the way, this is the daily time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and here we can see that the stochastic is extremely oversold, and we have already seen that it is oversold on the daily time frame chart as well. Now, if we watch on this daily time frame, the Verasity is still moving in this down channel and reached the resistance, very close to this resistance of the down channel. And at the same time, on the 4-hourly time frame, it has reached the support of this symmetrical triangle. Now, the movements are really very critical for Verasity, because if from here the price line again moves to the resistance of this triangle, that will be approximately at 2 cents, then we can see that approximately at 2 cents we have the resistance of this big channel as well. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, then our target, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our target to the upside will be approximately at 2.4 cents, and definitely the price line can also break out the resistance of this down channel as well. Now, for example, if we are going to break down the support, then in that situation, our target to the downside will be approximately at 1.56 cents. And if we watch the support of this channel, that is approximately at $0.00041. That will be a really very down from here. However, we can see here, this is the same trend line I have just copied from here and pasted here. And let me just switch it to the 4-hourly time frame. Now you can see that this support of the this target of the triangle that I have copied from here is showing us that we will be even not reaching the center of this channel in case of breakdown. Let me do adjust this chart for you, and you can see that we will be testing this level where we have a very strong support of 1.7 cents. Approximately there we can again test this support. So we have again very critical movement for Verasity. Soon it can break out or break down the support or resistance of this triangle. I'm expecting a breakout. What's your opinion? You can share your opinion in the comment section. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.